Hey everybody, in this video we've got a American lock here. It's actually a laminated padlock, 40 millimeters. Kind of an interesting little lock here. It actually comes with American lock shaped keys, even though they're much smaller than a typical American lock key, which we've got right here just for comparison. And another interesting thing you'll notice here is it's actually not the American lock keyway. It's actually a Master Lock M1 keyway. As you can see, yeah, M1 blank fits in it. Just a little 4-pin lock here. So we'll go ahead and we'll see if we can pick it here. One of my subscribers actually sent this to me just asking to see if I could do it. So I've not picked a lock or single pin picked one outside of working in probably 2 years, maybe more, and I hardly ever do it working either with the leashes that are out there, and you can rake open just about everything. And when I'm working, speed is what we're after here more so than showing off our ability to pick a lock that nobody understands outside of locksmithing or lock sport. But, anyway, so we'll give it a shot here. I got a 40,000 pry bar, and I think this is 24,000 Peterson gem. This stuff has been collecting dust for a couple of years here, sitting on my desk. I've not touched it. I think it's 24,000. I can't even remember. Nothing on that pass here. This lock can actually be picked in either direction. So we can actually try it counterclockwise here and see if anything binds. Sometimes locks pick easier one way as opposed to the other. And this kind of lock here will unlock in either direction. There it goes. So yeah, it picks easier counterclockwise than clockwise. So we can see that actually did manage to get it picked there. And go ahead and reset it back. So tell my picking skills have definitely eroded here, so I've not been practicing at all. But anyway, hopefully you guys kind of enjoy that, and it is kind of a cool lock to see. And I guess questions or comments, as always, leave them in the comments. And I guess until next time here, we will talk to everybody later.